This contraption is a lathe, and supposedly it belonged to Queen Sophie Magdalene, the wife of Christian VI, who, like other queens of her day, devoted much of her time turning items made from ivory or precious woods. Designed as a typically bulging rococo furniture, it opens in the top and contains candles
til de mange forskellige stemmejern, man skulle bruge, når man skulle dreje. Der ser man jo så mekanismen. Her skulle objektet spænde.
Here we have got the actual mechanism, construction to fix the object in one end along with the movable opposite end. The mechanism works through its connection to a pedal in the bottom attached by a string to the turning wheel, pedaled of course by the queen herself.
Og så der sådan en fodpedal, hvor dronningen så har siddet og trådt.
It's an extremely refined lathe, and consequently we haven't got a full insight into its various uses, but it goes without saying that it was fully capable of turning in various ways, from spiral to curved, and as such was capable of turning an object as the one displayed on its top, with the exception of the bust in its center.